channel and welcome to the kitchen. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you a great meal for a meal prep or for a healthy weeknight dinner. It is a healthy Italian sausage, potato, and veggie bake. So let's get started. All right guys, so for the recipe, you will need a package of, you can use mild or hot Italian sausage, a package of baby potatoes. It doesn't matter if they're red or the Idaho ones, it just depends on your preference. You will need, you can use fresh or frozen vegetables. I just like using frozen vegetables because with my schedule, I just find it easier and they'll stay longer if I buy the frozen ones. So this is just a mixture of broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. You can buy whatever kind of vegetables you like. And then you'll need some olive oil. If you like spiciness, which I do, I buy the Tony Chachere's. I don't know exactly how to say it. This Creole seasoning, it's so good. It has like garlic, lots of red pepper. It's pretty spicy, so I get the original one. And there's a step above if you like even more spicy, but I get the original. Some garlic, and then some oregano and parsley. You're also going to need a large mixing bowl, a cutting board, a big spoon or spatula, and then you'll need to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. All right, so now I'm gonna chop everything up, and I like to chop the potatoes in 2/4. So next I'm just gonna chop the Italian sausage, and I just chop these into like bite-sized chunks like this. Once that is all, everything's all chopped, I'm gonna pour the bag of the frozen vegetables into the bowl of potatoes we have here. All right, and then we're gonna season everything in this bowl, and then we'll put it on to the baking sheet. First, I'm going to coat it with the olive oil. Better stir this all up. And I'm going to go into the minced garlic. And just depending on how much garlic you like, will depend on how much you add. I love garlic, so I add probably 2 whole tablespoons into this recipe, but just your preference. And then I don't have a specific measurement for how much of this I put on. I just kind of coat it until every piece looks fully coated. So I put quite a bit of it on. So I'll kind of cover the entire first layer, and then I'll stir it. Make sure everything's nice and seasoned. Okay, then after this, I add the oregano and the parsley. And I do kind of the same thing with this. I'll just add as much as I like. So I just cover the first layer. And then there's the oregano. And then I'll do the same thing and stir everything together. Okay, once that's all done, I'm gonna take my Italian sausage and spread it out over our baking sheet. Evenly spread it out, and then I'll pour the potato and veggie mixture right on top. scrape some of this out of it, just kind of spread it out like that. And then I go in and I re-season everything. That way the Italian sausage gets some seasoning too. Parsley. All right, so once you have everything seasoned and on the baking sheet, I cook this at 375 for about 30 to 40 minutes until the potatoes get to the crispiness I want. So it kind of depends how long you cook it, depending on if you want them just like a baked potato or if you want them more crunchy and browned on the outside. So I'm gonna throw this in the oven. All right, so the timer just rang. I'm gonna take it out of the oven and we'll see if we're done. It looks pretty good. Woo. So here is what the finished product looks like. I'm so excited to eat this later today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.